Hi everybody, I'm Zahur Rahman, founder of my YouTube channel English Grammar and Use. Welcome you to another video here from my YouTube channel. I thank my Allah for the bless that He has granted over me, and I'm really thankful to my viewers for the love and respect that they have shown towards me. Uh, as usual, at the start of my video, I would ask my viewers to subscribe my channel, share my videos, and like my videos, and put your comments below into the description so that I will know that whether my videos are really interested and workable for my viewers or not. And let me know that where are you from, and which class you are. And at the start of my video, I would leave a message for the students and learners who they are in Sarhari and they live around Sarhari. My closest friend Akhtar Ali Jamali Saab has started a coaching center with the name of Al Bright Coaching Center, where he has invited all the students, all the poor students, what I think, all the poor students, that they should join that institution, that coaching center, and they can get benefit out of that and free of cost. Okay, there's no cost, there's no fee, and all students can get benefit from this institution, from this coaching center, where I think a lot of things will be taught to the students, and no student will be asked to pay fee for the learning. So this is a great opportunity for the students who they live around Sarhari and in Sarhari, so they can join as soon as possible this Al Bright Coaching Center. I'm going to start my subject today that I have selected to give a talk. My talk today, to make language easier and easier for the students, for the interested learners and my viewers who they are really interested to get fluent in English communication, and for them I have got here some techniques that I would like to share with them so that they can understand the language in a better way and they can talk English language fluently. So what is the way, as you consider that this is a English language, English communication, okay? This is a English communication. So I demand nothing from the side of my students, from my learners, but just I say them, just I ask again and again to my learners and my viewers that they should only subscribe my channel and share my videos with their friends and their colleagues, and click the button of liking and put their comments below into the description so that I may know that whether my videos are really working for them or not. This is just a simple demand from my side. Neither I demand money from them or something else. And another thing I forgot at the time of the start my video, that in Al Bright Coaching Center there will be online classes for the students who they want to participate in this campaign. They can get opportunity, they can get benefit out of that. So let's start this topic today, that English communication, how can we make it easier and easier for our learners, for the beginners who they are interested to talk English language or chat in English language. What way they should adopt to learn this language. Okay, let's start. I say that there are a few words that if we give the reply of these words, then I'll be able to talk English language fluently. Okay, so what are these words? These words are who, what, when, where, when, where, why. Okay. And another word is here how. Okay. If the candidates, if the learners are able to give the answers, give the reply of these words, these 6 words, I think that these are the 6 words. If they are able to give the reply of these 6 words, then they can get an opportunity to learn to talk English language fluently. Okay, they can talk. And another thing I would like to say here that they can ask questions, whatever the questions they have in their brain, and they are not clear about things about the teaching, what I'm teaching here. They can ask me questions, and I'm here to give the answers about those questions that I receive here on my YouTube channel. Okay. So if you give the reply of these 6 words, you get fluent in English communication. Okay, how to give the reply of these words. Okay, and another thing that I here would like to discuss for the beginners who they want to talk English language. I'm trying to discuss that thing also, and in my video. In the later part of my video, I will discuss that thing also. So who means a subject, and you think that what is structure of a sentence that I have given to my learners is that who, what, where, when, why, how. This should be the structure of our sentence. If you give the reply of these 6 words, you will be good at English communication. Okay. So let's start from here. Who does that work? First question. Who does that work? Who open the door? Who calls me? Who knocks the door? Who teaches you? Who drives the car? Who works in the field? Answer will be door of action. Okay? Answer will be door of action. Who teaches you? Who builds you? Who talks you? Who calls you? Who plays cricket? All these replies, all these replies will give you learning on your brain that who is the doer of these actions. For example, Ali is dancing, Sher is driving, and Zahur is teaching, and students are learning, and people are working, businessmen are talking. So these all replies lead us to this who are they, who are the door of these activities. Okay, so boys are making noise. Okay, so we are getting the answer. For example, I am teacher, I'm a teacher. Who is a teacher? First reply of who. Okay, I am a teacher. Who is a teacher? Okay, we will ask a question like that. We will say that who is a teacher? Oh, I am a teacher. Okay, so you would say students are working. Students are working. Who are working? Students. Okay. She is making tea. Who is making tea? Okay. She is making tea. Who is making tea? These are leading to give the reply of word who. Okay. Now, beta. These all are leading to give the reply of word who. If we be able to get the reply of word who, then we will be clear about our chat, about our talk. So I'm trying to give the I'm trying to find the reply of who. I say the beginners who they are really interested to talk English language, they first find the reply of who. After they get the reply of who, then they will be able to talk English language fluently, because the thing might come in their brain and they can get things out and they can chat in English language without any fear. I'm going to discuss in the later part of my video, and I would show there that how to get fluent in English language. Okay. So who is a teacher? I am. Who is a driver? I am. Oh, who are working? Labor, farmers, students. Okay. Who are protesting? People are protesting. Who are singing? Who is singing? Singer is singing. Okay. This is the reply. Who is learning? Student is learning. Who is rocking the door? Rapping the door. Somebody is rapping the door. Who is calling me? Ramesh Kumar is calling me. Another person may be calling me. My phone is ringing. Then I would ask my friend or my colleague that who is calling me? Oh, Ramesh Kumar is calling you. Something like that. So first, if we get the reply of word who, then we will be clear that who is the doer of action, who about we are talking. Okay. This is the first portion of your sentence. What we call as a subject. Starting point of your sentence. Okay. What we call as a subject. Okay. I'm a teacher, I'm a driver, I'm a farmer, I'm a student, I'm a prime minister, I'm a president, or many more sentences we can talk in this way. Okay. So this language is an easier language and we can talk this language without any problem. The real technique is that we should get the reply of these 6 words. Now I hope that you may have understand the things well, and there will be no question in your brain about this word learning. Okay, I said at the start of my video. I said that we should get the reply of these 6 words, then we will be clear. Because we need a clarity about the words that we are using. Not we need to store a large amount of word in our brain and we think that we can talk. Right? No. But we learn only few words and we get clarity about these few words, and then we can talk. Okay? We can check. Okay? So please subscribe my channel and share my videos and like my videos and put your comments below into the description and let me know where are you from. Okay. This is another word that we are going to learn. Okay. What we are trying to learn to find the reply of word what. Okay. What. Oh, I am running my business. I'm running my business. What I'm doing? I'm running my business. People are protesting for their rights. People are protesting for their rights. What are they doing? They are doing something. Here I'm running my business, but here people are protesting. These 2 words are giving the reply of word what. Okay? What are they doing? We are teaching what I'm now doing. I'm teaching. Okay, I'm giving a talk. I'm giving a talk on the topic to make the language simple and easier, that my viewers and my learners can get fluent in doing that, in doing this job. Okay, for example, she is making tea. She's making tea. She's boiling water. Sorry. Okay. What? It means that these making, boiling, these two words, protesting three words, and this fourth word are giving the reply of word what. Okay. Now I hope that it will make sense. Okay. I hope that it will make sense. Okay. Now we come to learn about the word where. Okay. We will get to learn about the word where. Okay. I'm trying to give the reply of word where. Okay. Where. Okay. Where, for example, she lives at Shabbat. She lives at Shabbat. Okay. Where she lives? She lives at Shabbat. At Shabbat. Shabbat is giving the reply of where. Okay. I visit the field. I visit the field. Where I visited? I visited the field. I visited my field. Okay. These two words, field, Shabbat, are giving the reply of where. Okay. For example, another thing. They slept on the road, on the footpath. Okay. They slept on the footpath. Where they slept? On the footpath. Okay. These three words are giving the reply of word what. Okay. If you are going to describe any activity, you are going to describe anything, then you consider in your brain that what words you are giving reply. Okay. You will find that you are telling a story, you are describing a story, you are trying to give the answers of these 6 words. Okay. Now I hope that it will make sense. And other word that we are going to learn, when. Okay. For example, we are going to find the reply of word when. Okay. I get up at 7:30 a.m. I get up at 7:30 a.m. I get up at 7:30 a.m. It is giving the reply of 7:30 a.m. giving the reply of word when. Okay. When. She was born in 1996. She was born in 1996. I joined my classes yesterday. I joined my classes yesterday. That is, these all words are giving the reply of word when. What I say at the start of my video, that if we find the reply of these 6 words, we will be able to talk English language fluently. And another thing that I would like to discuss here, or you can say that I would like to add here, is that to remove your doubts that you have in your brain. If you are be able to remove your doubts in your brain, then you will be able to talk English language fluently. Okay? You can get fluent if you remove your fears that you have in your brain. You are thinking that I can talk, but I can make mistakes. Okay? you are thinking that I can make mistakes and people start laughing at me and they can create troubles for me. So this is the fear on your brain that is stopping you from talking or getting fluent. Okay? Here, come here. When we get the reply of when, now the word remains why. Why? We are trying to find the reply of word why. Okay? I went there to get reward. I went there to get reward. Why I went there to get reward? What was the reason for which I went there? I went there to get reward. Alright? So, get reward means I went there to get reward, or you could say that I didn't upload my videos on my channel due to because I was busy. Because I was busy with my personal engagements. Okay, I was busy. This was the reason that for which I couldn't upload my videos on time. You know that these are the problems. Sometimes everybody have a problem, and I do have also. Okay, I do have also. Okay. So here we are getting the reply of word why, and we trying to get the reply of word how. Okay, how can we? She dances beautifully. Okay? She dances beautifully. How she dances? He runs quickly. I talk fast. I talk bit slower. Okay? I talk bit faster. I talk bit slower. Okay? These are the things. So I hope that my teaching might make sense and you will be able to learn it well, and you may not have any problems. Okay? So another thing, as I promised at the start of my video, that in the later part of my video I would also add some techniques that could help my learners, my viewers, how to get fluent in English language. Okay. Now, start thinking in English. Okay. What I'm going to share here with my viewers is that you should start thinking in English. Okay. Start thinking in English. First, you start thinking about the actions. Okay. Start thinking about the actions. Many people are performing certain jobs in front of you. Look at them and describe their actions. For example, people are fighting with one another. You could say that, oh, people are fighting. Okay, this is the fighting. This is the word fight. Okay, so you look at the people and describe what they are doing. Okay, people are fighting. People are running. People are walking. And people are teaching, students are laughing. Okay, these are the actions. First, we think about the actions that the people are doing in front of us. Okay, we think about the actions that the people are doing in front of us. Then we describe these activities that the people are doing. For example, if somebody is eating something in front of us, then we would say that he is eating. Okay, he is drinking. Okay, he is teaching, he is driving, he is working in the field. Okay, so there are first we should think that how to describe the actions of the people are doing in front of us. Okay, we think in English about the actions. Okay, first we think in English about the actions that the people are doing. Okay, this thing. Okay, and another thing, we should think in English about the names. The same. There is a relation relation. There is a deep relation that in my teaching, that what I teach, there is a deep relation. If you start thinking at my lecture, you would learn a lot of things from here. Okay, you would learn a lot of things from here. Okay, if you are interested to talk English language, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, here I would like to share my WhatsApp number. Okay, 0301 3523 This is my WhatsApp number, and you can contact me on this number. Okay, so think in English about the actions. Okay, for example, people are dancing, people are weeping, people are running, people are walking, people are talking, people are chatting. Many jobs they are doing. We think about these jobs and we try to describe these jobs in English. Okay. And another thing, we should think about the names. For example, school, college, towns, cities, countries, canals, many more things are there. Okay, newspapers, chairs, fan. Okay, we start thinking about them and we describe these things in English. Okay. If we be able to describe these names in English and these actions in English, then we will be fluent. And another thing that I would like to say here, that remove doubts and fears, whatever you have in your brain, or you have stored in your brain, you remove these doubts and you will be fluent. Okay, so many students are saying that they have a large amount of words and they have certain grammatical rules, but still they are not able to talk or able to create in English. I think that problem is that they are not clear about these things, clear about the words. Okay, they didn't have ownership over the words. Okay, so this is the reason that is stopping them from getting fluent. Okay. Not there's a need to store a large amount of words in your brain and keep struggling there. Only learn few words but get clarity about these words and try to use these words in your sentences. Okay, and your ideas, to describe your ideas, to use these words. Okay, okay. And other, think about a sentence. Okay, think about a sentence, that how to describe my sentence. Okay. If you describe these things, I think that you will be able to get fluent. So, at the end of my video, I once again, on behalf of my closest friend, Akhtar Ali Jamali, I would give a message to the students who they are really poor and are not able to access to private tuition centers. They can join a Bright Coaching Center where many things will be taught free of taught to the students free of cost. There will be no cost to pay, and so this is a great opportunity for the students of surrounding. They can join this center and they can get benefit out of that. So my purpose of teaching is that I'm not trying to ask the students that they should pay money. No, I'm not asking that thing. But I'm asking that what can I do for the students I would do. Okay? This is the reason, this is the purpose with which I started my videos and started my YouTube channel. So I hope all of you be and a good, and we will meet again after a short while, after a short time. So until then, wait, keep waiting. Okay. So here my message is that to subscribe my channel, share my videos, and if you are interested to learn English language, then you can contact on my WhatsApp number, and you can join my channel. You can get a lot more about the English language. So okay, goodbye.